Hello and thank you to the admission committee for giving me this opportunity. My name is Lian Tongkai. I'm 19 years old. I'm Chin, one of the ethnic groups from Myanmar. I came to Thailand in 2024 to pursue quality education and to live safely. Due to the harsh political situation in Myanmar, I have to stop my formal education. After arriving in Mysore, I continued my studies and earned my GED certificates in 2025 at the Seoul Foundation. During my GED studies, I actively volunteered in various foundation programs, and I also joined several trainings and courses, including the basic coding program by Dub Champs. Through this program, I learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which inspired me to choose programming and software engineer as my career goal. During the 6 months of training, I dedicated myself fully and complete all assignments to the best of my ability. As my final project, I selected a more challenging option, a Motherhead web project. I was very satisfied with completing this project because it allowed me to use my coding skill to support the community, even though I was still a beginner. I hope to effectively contribute to my respective communities by gaining advanced knowledge and skills through the guidance and teaching of Professor Daudanetar Chom Damarum Kun and his team. Thank you.